New year, new you, right? That's what most people say all the time. Sadly, most of the time, they don't change at all. They remain the same person. They don't improve themselves. They don't learn new things. And year after year, they're still in the same place. Do you want to be like them? If the answer is no, don't worry, mate. I gotcha. I've been testing with myself all the things I'm gonna tell you right now. And yeah, you've probably seen all the videos like this, but let me clarify something, mate. I won't tell you that you have to meditate, you have to wake up early, you have to exercise. I'm not gonna say any of that. Of course, those are important habits, but I want to take you beyond that. So let me present you the best things you can do if you want to glow up this year. Starting with number one, you have to disappear. Listen, I know. You want to glow up, you want to look good, you want to feel good, take nice pictures and post them on Instagram, live an aesthetic life and all these fancy things you see on social media, right? Pretty much everyone wants the same thing. But before achieving and showing your results to people, I need you to focus, mate. Disappear for a few months. Don't show your face on social media. Stop hanging out with your friends for a few months. And yeah, it sounds quite extreme, right? But if you're serious about this, if you're serious about making a great comeback, if you're serious about becoming your best self, this is a sacrifice you must make. This part of the glow up is gonna help you to eliminate distractions and bad habits from your life. Video games, Netflix, social media. I'm not gonna say pornography because it shouldn't even exist in your mind anymore. Parties, alcohol, bad quality sleep, junk food. You have to disappear all that, mate. All the bad habits, all the distractions. If you really want to improve your life, this is very important. Remember that the focus of attention is yourself. You are the main character. Maybe you don't feel like it yet, but it's because your character is in development. And hell yeah, it takes time. The purpose of the first step is to make your character connect with his life, your life. To do that, you gotta reset your mind from all the cheap dopamine and bad habits, pleasure that you've experienced for years. If you actually do that, it's gonna be easier to work on the other parts of the glow up, brother. Which leads us to the step number two, appearance. So, having a glow up is usually known as a process where you go from ugly to handsome, right? Everyone knows that. But listen, I don't want to just make you look good. I want to help you feel good. Our presence, our looks, our appearance is a manifestation of how we'll feel inside. Now that you quit social media, there are no bad habits and distractions anymore, right? This part is very cool because you can actually go from ugly to handsome very easy if you did the previous part well. Now, first things first, I want you to sign up to the gym. And I know I said I was not gonna talk about this, but it is necessary, mate. Your body is an essential part of the puzzle. Building muscle is gonna help you with many things, mate. Your confidence, your mental health, your testosterone levels, appearance, etc. Nothing is gonna help you feel and look better than hitting the gym and being consistent with it. Exercising alongside having a good diet is like the real key to looking good, mate. Now, there's no time to waste. I want you to sign up today, if it's possible, of course. The next thing you're gonna do is make sure your hair is in order. Go to a good barber and ask him for a good haircut. I can't give you like many examples because as you can see I have long hair, but I'm pretty sure the barber is gonna help you with that. I personally recommend you to go for a classy old money haircut. In my opinion, it never goes out of style. In any case, you can try many styles. Remember that you disappear, so no one's gonna notice for now. Having a grooming routine is the most effective way to look your best every single day. A skincare, brushing your teeth every single time you eat something, and smelling good are part of it. The cool thing is that we can start pretty simple. Don't stress about it. Taking care of yourself has to be a cool thing, right? Now, dressing well is usually misunderstood as dressing expensive. But listen, we are men. I recommend you to invest in the essentials. We just need good jeans, good trousers, and a couple of white and black t-shirts, nice shoes, a watch, and that's it. I mean, look at James Bond. You don't need $10,000 to dress like a gentleman. Hitting the gym, having a good haircut, having a grooming routine, dressing properly, it's gonna make a huge impact in your life, brother. Sounds simple, maybe a little cliche, but it's how it is. Basic things. Now, with all that being said, let's move on to the step number three, hobbies and abilities. Look, mate, I already told you how to connect with your life in the first step, but this one is about how to stay connected and enjoy every second of it. I absolutely believe that having different hobbies not only makes you glow up like crazy, but it also transforms your life into a movie. Imagine a good character from a movie or TV show that you like. They always have some kind of a special hobby or ability that makes them cool. Now, the great thing is that there are many different hobbies that you could try. And I'm not precisely talking about playing Fortnite with your mates, but I'm talking about hobbies like learning how to ride horses, learning a new language, dancing, chess, running, skydiving, boxing, painting, whatever you like, mate. But I highly encourage you to pick up 2 to 3 hobbies that you really enjoy and dedicate time to them. Remember that this is gonna help to transform your life into a movie. So the cooler the hobby, the better. But like I said, you choose. I made my personal list of hobbies that I think will make you more attractive. If you want to check it out, I'm gonna leave the link to the video right here so you can watch it later if you want. So now let's go with step number 4, your purpose. Listen, you disappear, you eliminate distractions and bad habits, you improve your looks, you start to dedicate time to your hobbies and passions. Now what? Well, let me ask you this. What do you want to do with your life? I know you clicked on this video because you want to glow up, right? And that's amazing. I admire you for that. You want to change your current situation, which is fine. But like, what else do you want to do? I mean, beyond the glow up, like what's your plan? If you don't have any plans yet, I invite you to find what's your goal in life. I told you at the beginning, I want to take you beyond the glow up. And the truth is that you cannot really glow up if you don't know why you want to glow up. You probably just want to feel and look good, right? Which is pretty normal. Everyone wants the same thing. But what I want you to think about is that what else do you want from your life? What do you want to achieve? And I'm asking you this because if you really want to take your glow up to another level, you need to know why. Like, you need to have a meaningful reason. Let's say you might want to be an actor, right? Then you know you gotta take care of yourself, of your body, of your face, because you're gonna appear in a movie, right? Or maybe you want to be an entrepreneur. Then you know you gotta look as presentable as possible for all the meetings and stuff. You cannot just want to look good to post pictures on Instagram and attract women's attention. You need to do it for yourself, for a bigger purpose. Look, mate, having a purpose will make you get up every morning with a reason. It will give you like this fuel, this fire to grow in life. Having a purpose will make you glow up like crazy if you are a man, because there's nothing more masculine than having direction, than knowing what you want to do with your life. I mean, yeah, of course, I want you to look good. I want you to feel good. I want you to take nice pictures and post them on Instagram. Yeah, I want that for you because that's my mission. But I also want you to achieve big things, mate. To me, that's the real glow up. Not just physical appearance, not just mental health, but all together with a reason to be. That's powerful, my brother. Now, there you have it, the real glow up, in my personal opinion, of course. Now, something very important you need to know about everything I said in this video is that, mate, it's not gonna be easy or fast. There are short-term solutions like getting a good haircut, but pretty much the rest of it takes a lot of time. If you do what I told you, in 6 months, you're gonna make a great comeback. But to go beyond that, it takes months, years to accomplish that kind of goal, you know. But it is completely fine. This is a lifestyle. Listen, you are the greatest project you will ever work on. So enjoy the process, enjoy your life, be disciplined, be consistent, and never stop pushing. I believe in you. I believe in your potential. Sometimes you'll get unmotivated and you'll think about quitting. When it happens, I want you to always remember why you started.